Today, the focus of our video is chard, and joining me is...
My name is Spencer Cox. I'm a student at Utah State University and doing dietetics and nutrition.
Perfect, let's get going. Growing up, my mom used chard a lot in the meals that she made, and it's actually one of my favorite vegetables. And I love growing it in the garden. It's a really easy vegetable to grow, and if I can grow it, anyone can grow it. But not a lot of people might know about chard and its benefits, its health benefits. Spencer, can you tell us more about why chard is a healthy choice?
Of course, I'd love to. Chard is a great choice of vegetable because it is high in folate, iron, magnesium, and lots of fiber as well. Something that people may not know is that in 1 cup of cooked chard, there's 3 grams of protein.
So when is chard in season?
Chard is often grown in the spring and in the summer. Like Jenna said, this is a super easy plant to grow and won't take a lot of space in the garden. And during those months, you can gather it, and even again in the fall. Although you can find it in the farmer's market as well.
Okay, very good. Tell us about the different colors and how we prep this great vegetable.
Of course. So chard is found in a variety of different colors. It makes it for a very beautiful looking dish. You can find it in green, red, or sometimes rainbow colors, as they call it. But today we're going to practice preparing it and cooking it. One thing to note is that both the leaf and the stem are edible. And so to prepare it well, we're going to go ahead and cut the stem out because it cooks faster than the leaf does. So by making just a little V-cut like that and taking it out, we can collect it. When you get the leaf, go ahead and fold it or roll it up into little pieces so that you're able to cut it into these long strips. The size doesn't matter, it's more of your personal choice, but try to keep it uniform as much as possible.
So there's many uses for chard. You can use it as a side dish by sautéing it. You can also use it in soups. Is a really great way to incorporate chard into your meals. All right, thanks Spencer for prepping all this great chard for me. I'll show you how to sauté chard just in a frying pan or in a skillet. The first thing you want to do is just get some oil into the frying pan, and the more chard that you're gonna sauté, the more oil you want to use. But as Spencer mentioned, the stem is a little bit tougher than the leaves, so we want to start cooking these in our pan first before we add in our leaves. So once you get all the stems in here, you want to move them around. You'll start to hear them sizzle, and you'll cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they become tender. You do want to continue to stir them to make sure that they cook evenly, especially if you have a lot of chard in the pan. When you wash your Swiss chard, it's important to dry it completely because if there's some water on that, that'll interact with the hot oil and cause the oil to pop and fly. And if you're wearing short sleeves or if you're getting close to the frying pan, it might hit your arms and your face and it might not feel so good. So you can either pat it dry with a paper towel or dry it in a salad spinner. So once the stems of the chard have been in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes, you can test them, and if they feel a little softer, you know that it's time to add the leaves in with the stems. At this point, again, you'll start to stir the leaves, making sure that they all get coated with the oil in the pan. And you'll notice as the chard leaves start to cook, they're gonna start to turn a brighter green. At this point, you can also add in different seasonings. Some great seasonings for sautéing chard include salt, pepper, garlic, and any other seasonings you like to cook with. It'll take about another 2 to 3 minutes until the chard leaves have become wilted. Throughout this video, we've called this vegetable chard, but another name that it is often called is Swiss chard. Our Swiss chard is ready to go, so we're gonna put it into this bowl. It has wilted, and we're ready to test it out. Spencer, should we give it a try?
We should. Something that I found in my experience is putting on different sauces or spices can help enhance the flavor more. We've got some lemon or some balsamic vinegar here that we could add to enhance some of the flavor.
I think since I didn't add any spices, we should try some of the balsamic vinegar.
Let's try it.
Okay, I'll sprinkle a little on. Don't want to do too much. All right, we'll mix it in there. Another great option is if you have balsamic vinegar that's a glaze, is very nice too. Okay, go for it.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I like the taste. It's a little bit sweeter than I imagined, but the vinegar helps pop the flavors out well.
Great. I like it too. Good as always.